The other stock which is trending up, and it has trended up very smartly in last 8-10 days, is VIP Industries. It was locked up yesterday, 95.5. It's trending up, and it's trending up on very strong volumes. The management of VIP Industries in the past has indicated that they are confident of maintaining a run rate of about 15% plus, and April to the June quarter, which is always the important quarter for VIP, this time around they are really positioned very interestingly for that. So what is the way forward for VIP Industries, who's buying into stock, and also what are the business and what kind of business environment that company could be staring at? Let's discuss all that and much more with the chairman himself, Dilip Piramal, chairman of VIP Industry, who joins us. Mr. Piramal, is that you? You're looking very different than last time what I saw you.
Yeah, it's been a long time. Yeah, I've lost weight.
A lot of weight, sir.
Yeah.
But your stock seems to be gaining a lot of weight. It is up more than 20% this week itself. Is this what institutional activity?
We like our products also to be lighter. No, I have no idea at all, but I think the general outlook seems good on our company, because what I feel is that in the last 2 years we have taken several new measures, and we have realigned our marketing policy. Rather, we have refined it, and all these measures seem to be having impact. Our market strength, our market share has gone up by a couple of points. And more than that, also what has happened is that 2 years ago the rupee devalued considerably, and we have been increasing our prices, and now I think that equilibrium is coming back. The cost and selling prices equilibrium is coming back slightly, and so all in all our policies are getting more effective. And I think that is what is showing in the market. Our advertising also has been effective. In fact, we haven't advertised so much last year, but I think it's been quite successful. So we also launched backpacks in a strong way, and they have been received well. So all in all, the good work our management team has been putting in is reflecting well. Also, the current wedding season seems to be quite strong. There are a lot of muhurats or auspicious dates right up to June, and that is a very big driver. And also the stock exchange has been quite strong, so I think we are benefiting from that also.
Mr. Piramal, so suffice to say that because of the currency and all other factors that you just talked about, we will see a higher margin figure in this quarter itself?
Slightly, not very much, because in fact the full impact of the rupee has been coming in only in the last 6 months. Like in the quarter October to December, when we had relatively better results, was also the quarter when our dollar rate buying was at its peak. So I would say, rather than just the impact of the rupee and the dollar, it is also the equilibrium in our selling prices which has been restoring slightly.
I was just coming to that. Are you looking at any revisions when it comes to pricing? A price hike may be under consideration anytime soon?
We take very small price rises throughout the year, and when I say throughout the year, it is not on all products. In each product we take, or rather each range, we take a price revision only once a year. So I think this year we've done it slightly earlier. Rather than doing it in May, we have done it in March. So I think that also will benefit us to some extent, because the April, May, June quarter is very strong for us. That's our largest quarter.
Your last communication was that you would grow at a run rate of about 15% plus at top line. EBITDA profitability would grow in the region of about 18 to 20%. Now that the business environment is looking strong, you're sounding bullish and confident. Would you like to up your guidance?
As far as sales go, it won't go up. In fact, it might go down a little bit, because the reason for that is that in the previous year, in the last year, that is 12-13, one of our major, very largest segments is the canteen stores segment, and that had gone down in 12-13. So our base had gone down to some extent, and that was restored this year. So the growth rate was higher. But I think if we do a 10-12% sales growth next year, we should be quite happy. Of course, margins can go up a little bit better.